Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store is not downloading any apps. So let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is to test if we have our internet connection available. So make sure you are connected into internet right here in your Wi-Fi, or if you want Ethernet, then make sure you are connected and your internet is working, and you can test it out by going into your browser after connecting to it. So go into your browser, and from here you want to go into speedtest.net and make sure that you have the results right here. You're not getting 0 or less than 5, and yeah, make sure that you have your speed right here. So if you can see your speed, it means your internet speed are working. Or you could also go to sites right here, to go to google.com, and if you can go here, or you could go into speed test, then you're probably okay with your internet connection. So the next thing is that this is the most common one, so you need to adjust your time. So you can go here into your start menu and type time right here and change the time and date. Go here, and from here you can set the time automatically and set the time zone automatically. So make sure that you have this automatically set right here, so make sure it's on right there, because that if you don't have the right time that you have, then it might not work here in the Microsoft Store. That might be the reason that you are having problems. And then the next thing, if you have done all of that and still doesn't work, then we can go and clear the cache of Microsoft Store. So go press the Windows key and R button on your keyboard, so at the same time, and then after that this would open up right here, and from here we're gonna type in ws reset.exe and hit enter. And after that, it would be like this. It would reset right there. And after that, you can test it out if the problem has been solved right here. So you want to try installing apps or downloading right here. And if not, then we can proceed to the next step, which is ensuring you have enough storage. So you can go into your start menu and type in storage. And you can go into your storage settings and you can see if you have any free storage right here. So for example, if you are downloading a 50 gigabytes game in Microsoft Store, then it won't be enough. If your storage is like mine, which only has 30 gig right here, so you would need to delete files right here. And yeah, you would need to make sure that you have the sufficient amount of storage that you would need in order for you to download that certain app right there. And once you have made sure of that, you can also try disabling your firewall or your antivirus. So whatever antivirus that you have, then you can just go and disable it. And yeah, so if you have a Windows Defender, then you can just disable it right here in Windows Defender, right here in the firewall, Windows Security, and so on. Right here you can just turn off the protection right here, the virus threat and protection. You can just turn it off right here. And then if you have done this and it still doesn't work, then one thing is, the last thing that I am going to show you is that to reset your Microsoft Store. So to reset is go into apps in your start menu, and from here go into apps and features, and from here you're gonna search in the list right here. So you're gonna search for Microsoft Store right here. So it's here. So what you want to do is click on it and click on advanced options, and from here you want to scroll down and click on repair and reset right here. Click on reset and reset again, and if you have the check marks right here, so if you have this, then it's now good. So let's close this because we're done with this step. And then the last thing that I want to share with you is to disable VPN, because that might be the reason that is jamming up your in your connection with Microsoft Store. So you would need to disable VPN. So whatever VPN that you have, you need to disable it and then try and downloading it into your Microsoft Store again. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.